And tonight, the driver arrested in connection to Friday's deadly crash in Randolph being held without bail. And News 9 Investigates is learning new information about his past. Good evening, everyone. I'm Tom Griffith.
And I'm Jean Mackin. Vladimir Zakhovsky is charged with 7 counts of negligent homicide for the deaths of these 7 motorcyclists. We've already told you about his prior arrests in Connecticut and Massachusetts. Now News 9 has confirmed the 23-year-old also has a record in Texas.
Right, police in Baytown, Texas say Zakhovsky was arrested in February on a misdemeanor charge for possessing drug paraphernalia. And earlier this month, he was involved in a crash flipping his Mack truck on an interstate while hauling automobiles. Zakhovsky told police that he overcorrected when another car swerved. He was not cited. In
the Randolph investigation, family, friends, and supporters were already gathering at the courthouse in Coos County when Zakhovsky waived today's arraignment. And that's where WMUR's Tim Callery is live tonight.
Gene, that's right. Zakhovsky was expected to stand before a judge here earlier this afternoon, but he waived that arraignment, as you mentioned, which means he did not appear in court today. But he was officially charged in this case, and tonight we're learning new information about what happened the day of this horrific crash. Vladimir Zakhovsky officially charged in the deaths of 7 motorcyclists killed when prosecutors say he crashed into the group while driving a pickup truck on Route 2 in Randolph on Friday. Family and friends of the victims arrived at the courthouse together. Merrimack County Sheriff Scott Hilliard spoke on their behalf.
The intention was to be part of this hearing as part of their healing process.
Not guilty pleas were entered on 7 counts of negligent homicide. The 23-year-old was originally released the night of the crash, but was arrested Monday morning in his hometown of West Springfield, Massachusetts.
It was a complex situation, and we wanted to make sure that it developed before we made any rash decisions, and we wanted to make sure we had probable cause.
A criminal complaint alleges Zakhovsky was driving erratically and crossed the double yellow centered line, causing the collision. He's being held in preventative detention because the court determined that his driving history might make him a danger to himself or the public. They didn't elaborate on specifics today, but News 9 has learned that he was arrested in Connecticut just last month for driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. The prosecution says it is not ruling out further charges.
As the facts and evidence come in, we'll look at every possible angle and make charging decisions based on that.
And now jury selection has already been set for November 8th, with a trial starting in November or December. Reporting live in Lancaster, I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.